Hi, I'm here to introduce Atlas Copco Tech Check. Atlas Copco field service engineers are well-versed in all aspects of the Atlas Copco equipment. They're well-trained in the knowledge of what to look for when they know something's going wrong, something can be preemptively fixed, and Atlas Copco Tech Check ensures that you get the highest level of productivity at the lowest possible cost. With Tech Check, both customers and Atlas Copco benefit. We address the challenges that customers face in maintaining equipment, and we know that regular health checks help prevent unexpected downtime. Tech Check is a detailed analysis of each of your systems by a certified field service engineer who focus on the indicators that something is about to fail, that there's some impending problem with the system. This allows you to take the checklist that we give at the end of the Tech Check and the procedures that we give at the end and solve those problems proactively before they negatively affect your production. We know you have a lot on your plate. We've found that our customers, even if they have the expertise, don't necessarily have the time to go through each system in detail. This saves you a huge amount of maintenance time because not only do we isolate the maintenance activities that need to be done, we tell you exactly how to do it, and then at your leisure you can do these on breaks or any kind of scheduled shutdown. So as we've seen, the Atlas Copco field service engineers know exactly what to look for, create a list of things that you can do proactively using our Tech Check process. Tech Check is your best opportunity to decide to take the equipment out on your time, whether it's a break or lunch or a scheduled shutdown. Let it be your decision when the equipment comes out. Don't let it be the decision of the equipment. So call your Atlas Copco sales representative today to schedule your Tech Check.